Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the main power control board in a Samsung dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new main power control board. The main power control board collects information from the sensors and the switches of the dryer, and then it operates all the major functions. If one or more functions are not working, the main power control board should be tested and replaced if needed. We need to remove the top panel. For that, we need to take out those two Phillips screws and then slide the panel off. So we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver and we're going to take out these two screws. Slide the top panel back for about an inch and then we can lift it off. Now we can take the three Phillips screws out and free the main control board. Remove the control board bracket of the sidewall and the front panel. Turn it over, and as you can see, we have a whole bunch of plugs and there's a couple of retainers. So first we're going to release it from the retainers. I'm talking about the wire harness. And then we're going to start unplugging it from the main power control board. So push the tabs, pull the plug, push the tab, pull the plug. Now we can remove this control board and the bracket assembly, and we can either place it on the workable surface or we can do it right here. And we're gonna remove one Phillips screw that holds the old main power control board to the bracket. And now we can pull up and pull out the control board from the bracket. This is the old main power control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now it's the time for the main power control board to go into the bracket. So this tab goes into that slot. And the opposite side will be secured by the Phillips screw. So match the holes first and secure it with the Phillips screw. Next step would be installing it. We need to connect all the plugs. It's easy. You can't really mix them up because they color coded. And also they're all different. You cannot really put the wrong one into the control board plug here. Well, double check that there's no loose plugs and that all of them are nice and tight. And we're going to place the wire harness into the retainers and twist them to lock. Turn it over and put it under the lip here, and this goes over and this goes over, and we need to attach it with the three Phillips screws. And the top panel goes back on, and I put it down about an inch away from the control panel, then slide it forward. So we're going to secure the top panel with the two Phillips screws. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.